Yeah, we be about the smart Ghana update. So we hear news update. We hear the adjoa. I champoma Charles Kwame Kuzozi, aka Papa V. Papa V ni di anipa bebre na e di anim no no e na da eye Western Togoland amanfo mo so mo ete wo mo no wono ene opanyin kwanche fa chese wo da no o di sem bia todwa no se ade bia ba abonte na gine nsema surprise ne say abaya timi afade security agencies no enipa maako 1000 ene wate o magu monte ne so mo mehwehwe no papa akokora wanya emfie just 85 years e ka akokora 85 de ka wo korhwe na nipa ba ko mienu miensa bi be woni reason ti wasa abaya timi fa nipa maako mema pa mema ma mema mama maako 10000 ati agu monte so mehwehwe no se de ade a na ono krompo onte ase because woni abaya tena se wase woni mpanimfo bi aye atena se ama wo ma ye meeting wo ye meeting from here to there and there sa meeting upon meetings ave o committee ba ku wie ya de ote ya na se wo mo hwehwe ne dendenden ne sa ensem bebre yen kwatie papa vi ne ensem no se de wo chechim ne ye ba me ne nana kofi agye e be bon komo.
Brothers and sisters, ladies, gentlemen, elders of Western Togoland, my homeland and your homeland, it has become necessary for me to speak to you today. It has been brought to my attention that I'm wanted here and there throughout the land. I remember I once went to a meeting, we closed, and I went to another meeting, attending meetings here and there, peaceful meetings here and there. At the end of one, I was informed that several soldiers, heavily armed policemen, were chasing after my name. Rumors even had that I should be brought either alive or dead. I have made myself available to the police. I have made myself available to the police, to the security agents on several occasions. Anytime they wanted me, I went and we had the discussions and I come home. But this time, I don't know why guns were held, young men holding guns, young men were 1,000 of them, looking for an 85-year-old man. I don't know what they have in mind about me. I have to hide my face a little. This is why we have not got paid for a few days. It has come to my attention also that over a week or two ago, there were the blocking of roads, a sort of demonstration, a sort of mayhem, short one, in the land. The Homeland Study Group Foundation is a peaceful group, a peace-loving group, a peace-generating group, a peace-making group, which started since 1994. The group had never been arrested anywhere, taken to court and found guilty. Never. We have made this clearly known to the whole world. That is the group that is helping us in the independence affair. They investigated and found us to be peace-loving indeed. And so when this sort of incident happened in the country, and we were being labeled with it, we were being smeared with it, this group from Europe wrote online telling the whole world that the Homeland Study Group Foundation isn't like that. Yes, it is true, we are not so. I am advising strongly that our people, the government of Ghana, should take that letter published online from the UNPO seriously and go by it. I have on 2 occasions written to the government of Ghana, the president, to let us sit down and have this matter discussed at a roundtable conference. No attention had been paid to the letter. I wrote again to Parliament, the Speaker of Parliament, to pick this matter up. The place where our members of Parliament are, they did not mind the letter and me. And now these sort of things are happening. Nobody should label the Homeland Study Group Foundation with this kind of thing. we have to keep away from it. We did not, and we are not like that. I inform all of you emphatically that Ghana should intensify its level of investigation and get people who do things and not just suspect, arresting people, firing people, harming people, locking people up. No. Investigate. Find out if it is above your level. The world is there. There are investigation organizations here and there in the world. Bring one to help you. We of the Homeland Study Group Foundation, founded in 1994, some 26, 25 years ago, are not violent. We are not. Thank you very much.
Abusia papa vi ne ete se wokasa wo che se Homeland Study Group Foundation no enye ade a ese na nsenya na ebo che de amanfo bi ga se wo mu firi him fro se da bi ote no 1994 na 1994 no because of say eya asumdue enti no obi ante wo masem wo mo wo ho no mo de eye wo mo ne ma na ese afiwe e na wo mo ani abere se chinchin atwan kwa bi aso ye je man enu enti no we de o se o de advice strong advice fa ekọ e de mo man panyin se sa wo mo nsem na wo mo tworoye statement tete no to abonte no abanhwe ese statement no bedi so e de ama omunya saade a ye je man patri e be saba etimne na nakofie agye sikapa ye so ye ba bebo asemi mu nkomo nana
ni aba
be ba kofie agye ye de wa hye oche no
ma hye meche ma fe meche
masa no a
something masculine man
eno ne sa ne ma
na also combination nya bar kra
okay
so we twa o pink lips ne o pink combination with the shirt no ama bibia da no kwam ni sa
kama sa
fantastic
na bibia boko
oh sadia achi de onyame aye ne de awie akase amanyofo nso ban yenso ye ho
atoye nkakra nom ne sa ne
famana e bona sumdwe wom is good but akase ntiase beba ye ho na ye ja mente me ho ase watimi ne
wakame ne sa ne
ya na nhyeda mfa so bia nhyeda ma ya
okay papa bia kasa o se agene nsem se wono papa akokra se wati hoyi na aban na timi akofa ni papa ko 1000 se e mehwe onu nipa ba akofo ide ese ade bia entwa ye kura okwan bia so
etwa ye pa
sa
etwa ye papa
akokra ni pa 10000
tini papa no oya kokra all right but don't forget so no 9 years ono na adwene ono ne creativity ono ne formation of some group na ewo ho even though say ukosa okoche sa papa kokra no a physically he may look old so they all can but nyo no kwa na okoche no emre bia okoche pani bia no sabe pani si etete ansu film ne kosensu pa so what as here ndi so okase ye the thousands of soldiers baba we na wrong am so me visa no so asem na oka na wrong because what cool a wodom o so wodom na wodom dia ebeda na yetumi aba se ye baba chewo nkwanti emfa nipa minu pamra na ye ba na se wodom na wono twifa sa nipa minu so a na ye ka se
so akoya asem foforo
nti asana o ka se aban ene wafa thousands of soldiers de bewe no nti no wakope ba bia tani sa na wonyam na o kan de papa bi madekukulo wenkwa de papa ye ma won kasa asemi mfam futrongu nipa ni anase nkofo ani sanse anka papa pani at your age 85 years there one would expect a lot of peace statement and peace actions from you rather than creating a kua ebetumi din sunsu anso bone abrede
Homeland Study Group Foundation
yes
what say asumdwe ku what say
asumdwe ku na yeden ena afide ababa wie violent
say yet ye hona mo mpene me yent ye ho dia de beba no
nti asumdwe ku no study deben Homeland
Study Group Foundation
good nti o to ho dia kwahen ehe na woto ho dia ko
as Western Togolands
ye wo krum ha isi wo ko bebrebe wo krum ha amemema no ho so a ewa ha ya enyina eboje so sanse so oti ku na de ti krum ha nko ade a enye problem sanka oti sa Homeland Study Group Foundation no ena what is say ku a okeke kan na sefo ne other people no mo won konua kro aka ho abom na bibi bo mo nyina ya sabe Brunisi there's more strength in unity tianka no there's nothing wrong with it but the moment you try to use that as a yardstick to operate in a manner ebekwa for how about there ebasa there even if you are 1,000 years kurana na what the 300 years kurana the security authorities must deal with you in accordance with the laws and regulations of the land. There's no all can there. Na mesate baby so say washada ne aban atnase onim penifo atnase.
Before I be ba no kra no we can be bia no wo che say wo no ankasa eye papa vi no anytime bia police fo hia ni bia no we available time bi omu hia ni bia wo ko enti wonim reason why this time they also almost have funny pa mako 1,000 na de ono cross de ono tete ye room one so almost say woman fa nemra either say alive or ewu okura na woman fa nemra me was yeah me was so no always be omuhia ne bia no he is available ntino e ho kakra na won tia sinti ama
okay
wo be cheche ni nsemu
ono so all kano se de bia ye hia na abade a e de na si ya fi de okotete was ye ko you declare man hunting. So what is it? So they be a friend now according to the state was they be a friend now. Available for them. Yeah, for our own country, I go here see and they declare wanted. And also another question. Do you know Kandia? See this Western Togoland thing. The way uncophobic ebe rule muna. Omo pesa, omo force travel idea. Very unfortunate because what the tribe are bumpe now baba say because. At the end of the course, we should all condemn with all the energy in us because Papa yo to one mono. Abra and penifua omabe ukro. Edo mon se asubia pamaseno. Na me sure say ne seso ni age. Sabre ni age a wo ne bi wo ho. Ti sankofo ni na ne kwa ebenkrum. Edi tu mu se ombe de ben.
Ombeti omo.
Ombe penima. Yeah, you carbon as one country, regardless of wherever you are coming from. No? So what I say, mean about say a brother mama kwanya Ghana, in your 15 and a Ghana, a nipa kubi, ena yakikabo ma e babe do some pensui. So what I say, it is a war no worker say what tiku, the kuna what is just a pleasure group, a group we are. As a mwoku mo de bobo mo say sebe ye okuma say hey
because at a foundation they say you will be say
so what you say foundation ye fanteman foundation ye mwoku ya de bobo e say okuma say e bia wo so fantifoku ye wa wo mfante hene kra wa ha ye wa wo anwona hene wa ha ye wo srem hene wa ha which is very good e basa na eboama mu nyina mo ye de ben mo bobo mo ho ntakeku no ote no as Homeland Foundation deben there and there's nothing wrong with it but agenda na sana wo no ni trima o person de be pursue no and wrong no so what you say eti so no ka say abrebie hia na okọ na oti ni ko ne asundwe ko ne dan esi de ha me ba am kire wade bi 1821 ana Fantis were the first person to be used as Ghana. And then Ghana got a good course. So I say 1821. In fact, that record into and sana 1850. Ga Dangbe Ewe Akan almost ebabe shame into a collective idea nyina yekabo mu 1972 and no so no nzema yes any fantin so be alliance no mo wo pona no nyina no on so be kabo mu e ma yenya the name Gold Coast. So what I say ana edidi mu anti kasa me kwa be kwa 1974 na santifo so bem ene didi mu 1901 ana Northerners ana Northern Territory no also be ka ho ana 1956 till 1956
yes ana ka 1 year yenya
independence no ana Togoland yeah na mo ka ho asemi no almost be gitum say they also want to be part of Ghana
okay
it's ya to marry there why don't you go back so could create confusion because at that time nya trust ni pe o ya chechire dem ye de ahoma suso mu sisi se chenchina ye twuma bagana so at ya say nkofo bi na wo ho ye kata ye kwa hondo ye beche ba nkofo bi na wo ho e na akwa ko se sisi no ye pese ye no sovereign nation na country and ye ya de obia e de no ho be batae e na be ye oman baako che o ma baako awie na what foundation no sa wutri mu po no se o pese o de be ye na ba declare se ba bia ho no opese yentwa ho se wo de ehon ka Ghana ho de omo ye unza nkofo ble ye omo adwene se omo presse omo pese omo free Ghana sa ko pese omo free Ghana akobie no hu ni asebo
bes omo tena ha
wa omo tena omo declare ba bi omo no se ho omo dia so office on free Ghana kwa se to go assassin there ho na mo ba bia what demarcation there it's been lawfully demarcated to Ghana lawfully emremu no Ghana nti sa office so obi o ade say obi free Ghana otu ko tram record so manager am American me American nti ho kwa de obi anu no problem but to create confusion say ba bia what no o person free wa bra sa ni pako na mto mu bebrebe nya mfaso free o man na modem ho bedwen no mo nya mfaso bebrebe free so e ma man so nya mo so mfaso bi vice versa so what I say it papa bia some na o kan de e be yanka ono ansamra bonten State of the Nation address and I'm
Feleganese.
Feleganese, my
penny.
Who said, Mammy Claire Sadi will free her. Aya, or my penny that Muhammad Tuga say, or by State of the Nation address. No, State of the Nation address belongs to only President.
Feleganese, then another register.
What I say, one day, my penny, one to me say, or address Ghana. Wow, okay, be a press conference now.
Okay.
Yes, the honor, I'm from here quick that correction. It was by a press conference. Now, catch and call for so. I didn't make kind of who say people are not understanding and uncophobia for whom that is not my original plans and I'm a person deba. Jebekwana Mekaso because at age 85. Sabi you akaka krebina o twana na mo anse no ntuba ya sabi you penimbone a o be shankola kutupa no agya problem ato ho amankola na
okay
so at azinti papa bi o momoden say foko me mare kukulo na ontumi hwe na nkane manyina
ntumi kama yo ene yenko ne president side no say two occasions and I wo ma chro letter e dia bra man panyini say ka o mo ntena se wo mo nsinkonya na wo mo nka na at the end of the day no behu ekwan yon be fa solve the solve issue but ni nyina no o man panya na adwen say enya ade a obefi wo mo enu nti ene ma wo mo so e fa amra ne hye wo mo nsam e de ye de wo se wo mo ye se de be ya ban behu so mo to no enya agro no mu di o mani abre pa
asem bi wo ha we mi am create me go for ha asem bi wo ha nya discussable you discuss it you discuss it when the people in question have legitimate right
okay.
So amamre tumi e mo kwan ma omo demand bibi ena so ene de ni pay demand the but we say bia de clause sem ya chese yenya sintim constitution we a untuma kase senti as a traffic idea red na what the opposite we do na so red a cross na we are osama justification de ntia wo chirim once it's wrong
okay
so that the okase o try letter command man pen for so starting 1994 no start here and on two occasions what letter and they come meaning so mampeni o tisu now here na so mampeni ben
o mampeni o tisu see
and what letters are coming
so on discuss on the round table
na come it should have gone further to explain say this and that were our proposal say na nanke person ye na no mampeni ampene so what I say but obi mampani wo krum ha na wonu so wo giri so ye mampani na wo tweleta koma no so adetina sa power na man kwan mo ye mampani na so hu se mo so muni right because right now ye ka no once I don't sabe sha pamase bia no ababa ye sealed and concreted want me nyamu hwe biem so what I say eti papa vi omeya onya de o ye because o create problem e de ama ne nkofo no and apart from that no o sign man nkofo kwa man nkofo dibone kura de guna council mu se koba se asa demonstration ko so e street him bo sa comfort do nwa gina mu wiwi nkofo niam so at as it papa we should come back again and tell us something more better
okay it's finally yes sorry so no say what they strongly advise eko e de am man panyini say ni ayekoso no enani chine ya wo mra na ne say won be negotiate so be dey no be hu kwan be fa so be jo mo ma nya sa de a em say demonstration hu ye na mo block e kwan ne o mo hye cars no ahyase
okay say ahyase de a men so pesa men so me ka chen say Ghana hamra ye adwuma wa ha na our security forces are also up to the task but they are equally to the task even beyond the task so what I say this or kasa de a next why not you say make an pursue create more problems man nkofo fa hu we ba se achichi nkofo no ya nchi no so akopa ba bi atewu so hu akote ba bi no create nti won men tena mudi na chi no no wafo so tren ko yi a no obi afa mowu no obi afa wapira ne sa ne ma no eti so okase omampani mo mon transia ho na mente ase no ba mpani se
so de afutuo na ema no
na me kase mpani se okona abo akraman sia pata so a na nipa da sani na siwo so what I say the papa yi nyina no based on some small information say gather we are no abeka say omo de enti omo say some people are justifying their actions and some kena so e bia say enra ya make us yakoche ohini bi ohini kase bi a saa ono so hyase bi di we na o yi nyina no ono nko anka onya that ahoden no tinkofo bi hyase a omo pushi so our investigation teams no security services no their ears should be on grounds na enhwema saadi we na tonka we shouldn't give them that attention say baby no osa ka say omampani anase Ghana mpani for no say ni ho ayi fanko international committee nkosiki explanation yes and okay baby here and sana o kono trailer to the international you say people wana
there be so so body kind akoma aban because we were jide say aban betimi aboa solve am wate ho nti say aban na ampene dia e na ebetra
and say aban ni mfi no
akoboda so
nti aban ni mfi nti ono so ntwen koma international community say o me ye Ghana ni na say me pese me Ghana ni bia metin be say etwa wode mame na me tuni dey Western Togoland na on hwe say ye be support no
eti wo ni say ayi vi na aban be pene krompo na sa land na ankasa na they are demanding for it na me ye mfama wo mo na wo mo nko ekuru so na wo man for
ma ye mfama wo mo eya sase a lovely eye Ghana sase eti wo di pa na wo te so na afu say on person be free man bi ba bi office o free e be bo no kwa
okay so wo metimi asesa wo mabusuafo afi
na ko and so betimi akọ you have your own right sebe so because we can say men kwana wo mu kwa mi kunu do ukoku no anya nkwa so another year to go chew e ma akodem but it's your right it is your right so betimi aka so kroma men tena bi me ko nemom me prayer asase no a emrem na ye obidia so what I say yet studio hey na if asase da ye chire hoyi ye ni fieru anakoka some years back na fieru anaje en pata bibia oso oje ma aje atum say efri na ekro ahanmo smart for ye nyina ye dia nti mi so mi ka ho bi ye ko ye na one day efieru aba esore ba say asase no ana efieru anana kra we na cause several years ago so that say efieru anana sore ba say asase na mote so no me na se na ye dia nti me be dia would that be so easy especially when it's documented that's what it say ya bia sa pepe na ekoso yi it papa vi onya de oyen because the age no be na tifia bedu no ensa so yes an ema no
okay what do you see and I say final messages bi o
the American say Ghana e ba beto aba ma amanyofo enye niema amanyofo binum enye niema edo how bebre oman nyina they should preach peace rather than preaching violence na asem we say nkofo hyehase na so mpeso mo lenke no so hu o hwe ai papa ya na na chi papa bibi Palmer bibi sa papa no ya munitions no somebody see no it's good because we trouble we all need to unite ourselves ko wa hwa o hwe on the background na ba hwe nsem bi sa hwa na obi kolenke ma okay was that the reason why no mo yes anema no ana were they manufacturing the ammunitions just to come and claim what is lawfully not right ana
okay
so what I say antino me fi say amanyofo enye careful with everything as be omo kana di be omo yebia no omo careful because we are in election year mecha ama Gladys awo Italy mecha na pa say and a piano of so na ya me hwe na ya bomdi kaka ti onsuma mo say the amount of busuano no trepa ti say ti free telecana free you can really say yes I
yeah me ka Ghana
yeah dia for Italy once dia
akwa kodi bia be 2 weeks 3 weeks bi ne sane okay
see ho nyina so ye adwuma be
oh yeah oh yeah boss be pene
o say on pene cry be kontie wa ne ye
okay
you can da was up on so I say
eno are sane mana you have we di be see am je papa bi ne se ba wa keka concerning Western Togoland eja wa cheche mu di a chena so na na Kofi Agye etena so ehwehwe ho nkobo bidi e de adwoa e champoma nyame ya adoma ye be se hia